Here's a song about you, to tell you that you're beautiful and kind, and to tell you that I'm always near, walking just a few steps behind. May you live your life with eyes and arms wide open. May you always find the freedom and the light, 'cause birds need to fly. You can cage them in or keep them by your side. You can take away their wings, but you'll take their pride. May you find the love, my darling. May you find the strength to always do what's right. Tomorrow you'll be older, and you find you'll have to make it on your own. But you'll never have to wonder whenever you need a haven or a home. And if I could, we'd always be together. If I could, you'd never be alone. The birds need to fly. You can cage them in or keep them by your side. You can take away their wings, but you'll take their pride. May you find the love, my darling. May you find the strength to always do what's right. May you live and be strong. May you do right where others have done wrong. Here's a song about you, to tell you that you're always on my mind, and to tell you that nobody could ever hold a candle to your kind. And if I could, I'd wish we'd live forever. If I could, we'd never have to die.